Hey everyone, welcome back. Dirt Jeep in here. So today we will be doing a hood latch install on my wife's JL here. So then it will be locked and people can't take anything. Here, let's see if it's locked right now. Oh, no, it's locked. Oh, sorry, this is the wrong Jeep. This is our barbecue. Hey Jackal, come here. Hey everyone. Say hi to Jackal, guys. This is my rescue. Jack, sit. Jack, shake. See, he listens though. Jack, let's go see mommy install some lockable hood latches. Let's go. Those are my wife's ATs I got her. There she is. If you guys never knew, we got the little 3.6 liter Pentastar in here as well. A little curious as why we have grass under the hood. But if you guys hear a dog whining in the back, it's my little schnauzer Zeus. He's in his little pen right now. 10mm socket. It's on the 3/8 drive ratchet. They're Craftsman. It doesn't matter what brand though. Even Harbor Freight works. Right? Lifetime warranty is lifetime warranty. On a side note though, because that MT is there, the funny thing about it is I forgot that I got her AT takeoffs, not mud trains, and I ended up getting a mud train. Jackal, don't you dare pee on that mud train. So I took it off. There are screws on the back end. Got the hardware there, got the keys, got some washers, nuts. Putting all the hardware back on the OEM one. Taking it off right over there. And if you guys ever just wonder, like, how come the videos suck? Or as in the, yeah, video in itself is because, well, I'm recording and I suck. This isn't our job at all. We're just doing this for fun. We actually work for my family's dairy farm and we're actually looking at purchasing our own later on this month. Gonna start off with 70 cows and work our way up to 200. Jackal, where's your toy? Jack, where's your toy? Jackal, where's your big brother, your Pyrenees brother? We got shelving and shelving of parts. One of those has the Magnuson blower, or it was in there, and now it's on the Jeep, of course. But there's my little schnauzer. Jackal, come here, please. Let's watch mommy finish installing. Gonna need to get a regular wrench. Ratchet and socket won't fit in there. Got a little Harbor Freight toolbox. We've got mix match tools everywhere. And if we can't find the right tool we have here, we go into the dairy shop, which is massive, and we usually could get the right one in there. One day I'll take a video of the JT racing the 72. So we got that one off too. This side is fully done. Top is off. Bottom is off. Jackal, stop sniffing to mark more territory. Oh, and we also have the rock blocks, extra large, long on these fenders here. Let's race on over here. You guys can hear how windy it is outside. Yeah, my wife doesn't seem to like to talk on camera. She's camera shy. Jackal! Jackal? Jackal? Jackal. If your day was today good, a very good day today, Jack. Jack, sit down. If it was, sit. Was it a good day? I think so, huh? So we're looking at our hardware there. By the way, guys, this JL just has the halogen ones, but it's sort of cool if you look in there. It's the Jeep grill. There's a whole bunch of little Easter eggs you can find on the Jeeps. So far, we only have 5 Jeeps, but we're hoping on getting more. We should be able to get a JK this Tuesday. The JK is gonna be bare bones, and we're gonna use it to go wheeling and break things on it. I'm not so keen on putting 50, 70 grand into cars and beating them up necessarily. I'd rather go get a $20,000 one to beat on it. That's just me though, everybody's different. That's a cute sweater you're wearing. Where'd you get it from?
Just Newland.
When did you get that?
When my husband proposed.
Oh. And how was that trip?
Great.
Yeah, guys, that's the first time she's ever been on an airplane. That's my imitation of an airplane. How was it? Hey, Jack, where'd you go? Jackal, you going out in that storm? You crazy little dog. By the way, guys, Jackal's like one of the most well-behaved dogs we have. And yes, that is a shock collar on him. Because we're on a 100-acre dairy farm right now. Sometimes he likes to get a little far. So we wanted to get this just because of where we live, and in case we have any enemies out there that we do not know of, they might pop open the hood since you don't have to do it from inside, put stuff down our oil, take apart things, unhook the alarm, try to steal a battery or something. I don't know, crackheads are crazy. And then on the JT, of course, we have the Magnuson blower on it, aka supercharger, and we don't need that being taken off. So everyone, Jenny here figured it out. Put key in, push on it. It's locked now. Jackal, do you approve? Jack, come here. If you approve, sit down. Jackal, sit down. I guess it is not Jackal approved, Jenny. We gotta take it off. Jackal said so. I got you, Jack. Guys, I just scared Jackal. Oh, now he's digging into me.